channel. So today we're going to be doing a Nutella cake in the Clever Chef. So it's quite a tasty cake. Just be careful in terms of, I thought that was a long hair, then it's the pan. Just be careful in terms of baking it. I did find when I did it, it did turn out quite dry, so if you do want it to still be quite gooey, then just knock the time down a little bit, but otherwise it should be fine. And let me know how you get on. First thing for our cake, we're going to need 350 grams of Nutella, or cheap kind of chocolate-esque stuff. So I've just warmed mine up in the microwave just to kind of get the most out. So it probably will take a while. Need a little scraper. I can see what I'm doing. Get that in there and get that all kind of nice and out. Oh, quite close to 350. That's it. Next thing we're going to do is add our eggs. So we'll get them added in now. We've got 3. Add them into our chocolate Nutella, chocolate spread. You can use kind of any chocolate for this, or use peanut butter. You can use vegan kind of chocolate spread. Anything you wish. As long as it's not got anything you're allergic to in it, or you can't eat, that'll do nicely. So yeah, I'll just get my 3 cracked in there and then we can go from there. Yeah, I forgot to say, you're meant to mix it together. So if your chocolate spread or whatever you're using is difficult to come out the jar, then just use, just warm it up in the microwave. Just make sure you cool it down a little bit before you add the eggs. Otherwise they'll scramble and you don't want to end up scrambling your eggs in your chocolate mix, because then you would have wasted your chocolate mix then. So kind of do that all together till it's nice and smooth. So my plan was to measure the flour with the sieve in the bowl, but it's just going to get the batter stuck to it. So I've gone for plan B, measuring it on my plate. So we need 100 grams. I'm probably going to go way over. Oh no, actually I need a little bit more. Oh, that squash is strong.
Yeah. Maybe just 100% elf's blood.
Elf's blood. Love it. So that's where all the Christmas elves have gone.
Yep. Elf's blood watered down with the tears of my enemies.
Love it. So there's your 100 grams of plain flour. I hope it's plain that we need in it. And then you're going to need half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just get that on top, and then we're just going to get that sieved into our lovely little batter, which, to be fair, I would say I'd eat, but it's raw and you don't want to be eating raw batter. So yeah, there you go. Oh, I need to move a bit closer. There we go. Whoop. Right, so I'm going to try and incorporate the flour into this mixture until it's all smooth. So we're just going to casually go. If you want to add chocolate chips to this, then you can do. It's just in this instance I'm following the recipe down to a T, just to see how it kind of does in my lovely little spaceship. So let's mix that in. For you guys who don't know, my spaceship is my Clever Chef. It's like a fantastic multi-cooker that Jake bought me for Christmas. Honestly, it's one of the best gifts I've ever had. I'm not going to lie. It's so convenient, and you literally, like, you do everything with it. You don't have to turn the cooker on. I've not tried chips in it yet. That's like past my go point at the moment, but with me trying to not eat as much. But yeah, literally just a case of it does amazing roast taters. It does joints meat. It does brownies like I'm making now. It even does Yorkshire puddings, guys. And Yorkshire puddings are like sentimental to British culture. So yeah, it's pretty good. It does rice. It's even got a DIY function. You can do it yourself on there, which is fantastic. So yeah, just make sure you scrape the bottom as well. Just make sure that's all incorporated, which I think we're about there. So I just need to check what settings I need to do this on, and then I'll be back with you. So we're going to get our brownie batter poured in. Just be careful with this because it is quite a runny-esque dough. So let's get that in. I keep saying dough instead of batter, and then batter instead of dough. Gosh, losing the plot. Right, let's get that poured in. And then it will just be a case of, it's going to go on the cake setting. It'll already be, it'll already be preset to the temperature. So I'll put that in a little kind of bubble at the bottom of the screen like here. And it goes on for 30 minutes, I know that. But yeah, I'll link this in. If you guys want to do this in the oven, like a proper oven, I'd probably say 180, 160 fan, gas mark 4, I think that's right, gas mark 4. And you'll probably want to put it in for about 20-25 minutes, depending on how gooey you want it. If you want it quite gooey, then do it on the lesser side, kind of towards 20 minutes. If you want it more solid, then I'll probably do it 25 to 30. If you do want it solid, the best thing to do is to put a toothpick in, or a cocktail stick, and if it comes out completely clean, then you've got a fully cooked brownie batter. If it's still kind of doughy in the middle, about 20-25, then you're probably about right in terms of a gooey cake dough. So we'll get that last bit in. Come on, out you go. There we go. So pretty much clean bowl, and let's get this smoothed out a bit. So yeah, gonna get that cooking on for 30 minutes, and I'll just show you guys. Let me put that on the sink. And my hands a quick wash. Right. Put the lid down, move that over, put that in view. Beep, beep. And you're going to want to adjust your time to 30 minutes. And off we go. Just grabbing a plate. Let's grab one of these. Oh, camera's gone. Right, hopefully we can get this off. Come on. Sorry guys, I will be with you in like 10 seconds. I'm a disaster with the plate. Because the sticker label won't come off. Maybe I should have done this before recording, but hey ho. Right. So yeah, my brownie's been in there for an extra 5 minutes because I was cutting Jake's hair. Just give us a quick rinse. Got a sexy little red plate out. Right, plate is out. Let's get this beautiful brownie out. Ooh. Right, I'm going to move you here so you can see. Hopefully I can get this out without burning myself. Yeah, it's a bit warm. Right, try again. Hopefully it's not stuck. So if it's stuck, we're going to have problems. Oh, yes. Put you in there. Turn that off. Lovely little brownie. Turn that off. Oof. So I've ideally put something. Ooh. Yay! So that is the brownie. Let me just kind of come down here and across. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this one, go like, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing plenty more of these just because I have to try it out. And I'll see all you lovely people in my next episode. See you later.